I'm here in Singapore, and behind me is Lucky Plaza, a favorite watering hole of Filipinos based here. This is the mall where you'll find a lot of Filipino establishments, Filipino restaurants and shops. In fact, you'll see 2 branches of Jollibee in this building alone. So, a lot of Filipinos here in Singapore are excited for President Rodrigo Duterte's state visit here starting Thursday, December 15. He's arriving around 12:30 a.m. on Thursday. And we asked some kababayans what they think of his visit, what they think of him as a leader and as a person.
If you want to find Filipinos in Singapore, you go to Lucky Plaza. The Filipinos we talk to all know about President Duterte's state visit and have something to say about his leadership style.
Ano na pong feeling niyo today na parating po si President?
Siyempre, masaya. Gusto ko siyang makita.
Pupunta po kayo dun?
Inspiration. Hindi kasi busy sa trabaho.
Ba't niyo po siya gusto makita?
Kasi siya inspiration ko rito.
Bakit po?
Kasi, di ba yung Pilipinas, ang laki ng pinagbago. Hindi ka tulad nung dati, parang wala kang hindi naman freedom. Yung walang safety, kahit saan ka magpunta, hindi kasi. Hindi ka tulad ngayon. Sana parang pareho dito sa Singapore.
Angelo doesn't think Duterte is behind the extrajudicial killings in the Philippines.
Maraming namamatay kasi sa mga shabu, mga drug lords. Sila rin naman nagpapatayan kasi para hindi sila isumbong ng mga kasama nila, papatay rin yung mga kasama nila para hindi sila madiin, ganun ba?
So hindi po kayo naniniwala na sa gobyerno yung mga patayan?
Hindi.
Siyempre happy kasi siyempre lahat naman ng mga Pilipina rito gusto siya eh. Kahit na ako lagi kong inaano siya sa Facebook yung mga yung mga updates sa kanya, binabasa ko, gano'n. Siyempre natutuwa.
Abigail Ubalde, who we catch feasting on bulalo in the food court, is happy about the Duterte administration's policy on Overseas Employment Certificates or OEC.
Ayan po talaga, ako saludo ako sa ginawa ng administrasyon ngayon dahil wala na pong OEC ngayon pag uuwi kami ng Pilipinas, which is before po, kasi domestic helper po ako dito. So, kaming mga domestic helper bago kami kumuha ng OEC, sobrang dami namin pinagdadaanan, sobrang dami pong mga kailangan namin bayaran sa embassy para lang makakuha ng OEC, which is yung mga S-Pass, kagaya nila, ng mga may pass, ang bilis-bilis lang kung kumuha ng OEC, $5 lang okay na. Samantalang kami, $300 pa yung kailangan namin gawa ng marami po silang requirements. Pero ngayon, laking tulong po sa amin na wala ng OEC.
It's no wonder many Filipinos here want to see the president. 80% of the 180,000 Filipinos based in Singapore voted for Duterte in the last elections. On Friday, December 16, Duterte will meet with 7,000 Filipinos here, which the Philippine Embassy says will be the biggest gathering of Filipinos ever in Singapore.
I'll be following President Duterte's activities here in Singapore, so stay tuned on Rappler for more updates and for more stories. P. Renada, Rappler, Singapore.